Hello and welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money online. In today's video, I will show how you can just change the order of your products. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to just log in or sign up in your ID as you've seen. So in Shopify ID. So here, you can just sign up and or log in. So we have to click on our product. So for examples, I've added 3 products here. Just you can add a sample 4 also. So I can just like here I can write as sample 4 and I can add a file image so it will look good. So let us add this and inventory tracking off and price as 44. So we can just see. So here you can see we have 4 products. So to this is in our order like sample 1 2 3 4. If I want to show the people as sample 4 then 2 then 3 even 1. So to do that, you have to just go to your collections. So here in collection, we have only one collection as this only a home page. So we have to create a collection. So first of all, you have to create a collection like we can write as collection as we can write as a summer t-shirt. Okay. So t-shirt for summer. You can just write t-shirts for summer. So here we have to choose as your manual. Okay. So we have to click here as save. Okay. So here is our the collection save. So we have to just add the product. So we will click here of browse and we have to select this. Okay. So we want to just select this. So here all the products is added. So as you can see. So here but we can't do in a manual way. So to do in the manual way we have to just click on here manually. So here you can see we have the effect. We can just drag and drop by clicking this. Okay. So if I want to show the fourth one, first we can just do from here. So we can just do as fourth as first. We can just make it up. We can just make it one by one. 4. Then I want to show 3. So I will do 3. No, and 4. I want doing the 2. So 2. Then I want to do sample as 3. Okay. So as you do like 4, 2, 3, 1. So in this order I want to show the product in my section. So I can just do so like I will which have been saved. So we can just save the collection. We can just save from here. So when you have saved, so if you want to see on the online store, you have to purchase a plan. So let us go to the plan section. So in the plan section, Shopify gives us the 3 plan like a basic and Shopify and advanced. So in the basic plan, we have to pay a $1 for 3 months, and in Shopify plan as same $1, and in advanced plan the same $1. So here subscription matters country to country. Like in my country, we have a starting price of $99. Sorry, I got basic $29 and Shopify plan 99 and advanced plan as $399. So we can scroll down. So here they provide also a starter plan. So a starter plan costs you a $7 a month normally. First like $1 3 months. So I suggest you can just take a like a advanced plan from like when you select. So here you can see you have to add a business address and do all things that you need to do. So as you can see, so here you can just do yearly. So we confirm the billing cycle. Just you can pay through credit card or you can just pay through your PayPal. So if you want to pay through a PayPal, you can just select your PayPal as choice method. So you can just select pay with PayPal and just subscribe. So here you can just like do that, and from here when you are done, so when you will preview your store, as you can see, view your store. So from here we have option to catalog. So from here we can just search like option to our summer collection. So we can search as summer. Here we can search as t-shirt for summer, as you can see. So here we have shown as 4, 2 and this 3 and 1. So this is how we can just like place into orders of our in order section. So we can just move to our home. So if you want to like add a billing address, you can just go to settings and just add your billing, and you can just add a store detail. So in my store I can just add here as sample because this is my sample store. So I can just save it. So as you can see, so here we have option of payments. So as you can see, so in payments, Shopify gives us a Shopify payment. So as you can add if you want to add, and you can just set up your Shopify store very easily. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.